how to fix country or region option not showing in App Store. So if you want to fix country or region option not showing in your App Store, then firstly, you need to make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. So go to the settings and tap on your name on the top of your screen, and then tap on the media and purchases section. Now tap on view account option that you see here. And if prompted, you need to just go and sign in. And as this unlocks, region settings. You can also do it through App Store and then tap on your profile, open up your App Store, go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then tap on your Apple ID or your email option. From here, you need to select the country or region section. And if your issue was still not fixed, then go ahead and turn off your screen time restrictions. You can just simply go and change your country and region, but if that doesn't fix, then you need to launch your settings. And under settings, you need to just go back and you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to just scroll down, and then you need to find on the screen time option that appears here. Just tap on it and then scroll down and you'll find content and privacy restrictions. Enter passcode if asked, and now make sure the content and privacy toggle button is toggled off. Or you can also loosen restrictions under account changes. Next, in settings again, you need to tap on your name, which will be on the top of your screen, and then tap on subscriptions. Go ahead and cancel or wait until they expire before switching regions. And the next fix is to remove the family sharing if needed. So go to the settings and then tap on your name, and it will take you to this kind of interface. And then tap on the family option. Just scroll down and then go with family. Further, leave the family group temporarily. You can rejoin later. Lastly, you can try to restart your device, as restarting the device refreshes your settings and helps in fixing majority of minor glitches. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.